Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to delve into an intriguing topic that's not often discussed, but is incredibly important: sexual health. And what better way to enhance our intimate experiences than with the gifts that nature provides? That's right, we're exploring the fascinating world of herbs known for their aphrodisiac properties. These potent plants have been used for centuries, celebrated for their power to kindle desire, enhance performance, and promote overall sexual well-being. From the powerful Maca Root of Peru to the ancient aphrodisiac known as Horny Goat Weed, we'll unveil the secrets these herbs hold. So whether you're looking for a natural libido boost, or simply want to add a little extra spice to your romantic life, you're in the right place. Join me as we explore these natural aphrodisiacs and learn how they can spice up your romantic journey. Let's embark on this voyage of pleasure and well-being. Our first herb is maca, often referred to as Peruvian Viagra. This potent root, hailing from the high Andean mountains of Peru, has been treasured for centuries, not just for its rich earthy flavor, but for its remarkable health benefits too. Maca is a veritable powerhouse of nutrients packed with amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. But it's the root's hormone-balancing properties that have made it a prized component of traditional medicine. By aiding the body's endocrine system, maca helps to regulate and balance the production of hormones. This can have a profound impact on everything from your mood to your energy levels, and yes, even your sexual health. Now, let's delve a little deeper into maca's libido-enhancing effects. For many, the stresses of modern life can dampen desire, leaving your libido languishing. But fear not, maca is here to fan the flames of passion. Known for its ability to boost libido in both men and women, this Peruvian powerhouse can help to rekindle your intimate life. But it's not just about desire. Stamina and endurance are equally important when it comes to a healthy and satisfying sexual relationship. And this is where maca really shines. Rich in iron and other essential minerals, maca can help to combat fatigue and increase energy levels, giving you that extra staying power when you need it most. But how do you incorporate maca into your lifestyle? Well, the good news is that it's available in various forms, from powder to capsules, making it easy to include in your daily routine. You can sprinkle maca powder in your morning smoothie or add it to your favorite recipes. For those on the go, maca capsules can provide a quick and convenient boost. And let's not forget about maca-infused recipes. From energy bars to lattes, these delicious treats can rev up your energy and vitality. So why not give maca a try and experience the benefits of this Peruvian powerhouse for yourself? It's available in various forms, including powder, capsules, and even maca-infused recipes to rev up your energy and vitality. Tribulus terrestris is a well-known herb for boosting libido and overall sexual function. This potent plant has been revered in traditional medicine for centuries and is often hailed as a natural libido lifter. Native to the Mediterranean region, Tribulus terrestris has been used in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine to enhance vitality and virility. The power of this herb lies in its ability to stimulate the body's natural hormone production. It's believed to increase levels of testosterone, the hormone primarily responsible for driving sexual desire in both men and women. But the benefits of Tribulus terrestris don't stop at boosting libido. This herb is also known to enhance sexual performance. Testosterone plays a crucial role in muscle development and strength, and an increase in this hormone can lead to improved stamina and performance in the bedroom. Furthermore, some studies suggest that Tribulus terrestris may improve erectile function in men. By stimulating blood flow to the penile area, it can help men achieve and maintain firmer, longer-lasting erections. For women, Tribulus terrestris may help alleviate symptoms of menopause and improve sexual desire. The herb's potential to balance hormones can lead to a reduction in hot flashes and night sweats, common symptoms of menopause that can often interfere with a woman's sexual health. What's more, this potent plant is available in various forms, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. From capsules and tablets to teas and tinctures, you can choose the method that best suits your lifestyle. So whether you're looking to reignite the spark in your relationship, boost your performance, or simply improve your overall sexual health, Tribulus terrestris offers a natural solution. This herb, with its potent libido-enhancing properties and potential to improve sexual function, truly stands out as a star in the realm of natural aphrodisiacs. If you're looking for a natural way to revitalize your intimate moments, Tribulus terrestris may be your answer. So why not give it a try? After all, nature often holds the best remedies for our health and well-being. Horny Goat Weed is an herb with a name as intriguing as its reputation. This fascinating plant, also known as epimedium, has been a staple in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries and has been celebrated for its capacity to enhance sexual function and desire. The secret to its power lies in a compound called icariin. This active ingredient is believed to relax the smooth muscle tissue, leading to increased blood flow, particularly in the genital area. This heightened circulation can help maintain strong and lasting erections, making your intimate moments all the more satisfying. But the benefits of horny goat weed go beyond the bedroom. This ancient aphrodisiac also has a rich history as a general health tonic, believed to support bone health, ease menopausal symptoms, and boost the immune system. Its adaptogenic properties could help the body manage stress better, a factor that often plays a significant role in sexual health. It's important to note that while the benefits of horny goat weed are enticing, it's not a magic potion. It works best when integrated into a healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise, a balanced diet, and good sleep habits. And as with any supplement, it's always wise to consult a healthcare provider before starting a new regimen. Available in various forms, including capsules, teas, and tinctures, horny goat weed can be incorporated into your daily routine in a way that suits your preferences. Whether you prefer sipping on a cup of herbal tea or taking a daily supplement, there's a way to enjoy the benefits of this intriguing herb. In the grand tapestry of nature's remedies, horny goat weed stands out as a testament to the power of plants in supporting our health and well-being. This ancient aphrodisiac, with its potential to enhance libido and sexual performance, stands as a potent symbol of nature's role in our intimate lives. Some say it's nature's gift for amping up your romantic encounters. Ginseng, a revered herb in traditional medicine, is celebrated for its energy-boosting properties. This powerful plant has been used for thousands of years, with its roots deeply entwined in the rich tapestry of herbal remedies and health-boosting tonics. Its unique benefits have earned it a prestigious place in the realm of natural aphrodisiacs, especially when it comes to enhancing sexual health. So what makes ginseng such an energizing elixir? Well, it's all down to its remarkable ability to combat fatigue and stress. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to feel drained and overwhelmed, leading to a dip in our sexual desire and performance. Ginseng serves as a natural antidote to this, offering vital energy renewal when we need it the most. This potent herb is known for its adaptogenic properties. Simply put, it helps the body adapt to stress, reducing its harmful impact and promoting overall well-being. By helping to balance the body's stress response, ginseng can pave the way for a more vibrant and active sex life. But that's not all. Ginseng also helps increase stamina. An active sex life requires endurance, and this herb is just the ticket for keeping those intimate moments going. Its invigorating effects can help enhance physical performance, making it a valuable ally for those looking to add a spark to their intimate encounters. Whether you're embarking on a passionate rendezvous or sharing a quiet, intimate moment with your partner, ginseng can help ensure you have the energy and endurance to make the most of your shared experiences. But remember, like any other herb or supplement, it's important to use ginseng responsibly. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. Ginseng can increase stamina, making those intimate moments even more enjoyable. So go ahead, embrace the energizing power of ginseng and let it add a new dimension to your romantic journey. Incorporating these aphrodisiac herbs into your routine is a delightful experience. You'll find them in a variety of forms, each offering a unique way to spice up your life. For example, maca powder can be easily added to smoothies, oatmeal, or your morning coffee. Tribulus terrestris is often found in supplement form, making it a convenient addition to your daily vitamin routine. Horny goat weed can be brewed into a warming tea, perfect for cozying up with your partner on a chilly evening. And ginseng, with its energy-boosting properties, can be found in a range of foods, from soups to stir-fries. Try experimenting with these options. Discover what works best for you and your partner, and remember to enjoy the journey. After all, the process of exploring and enhancing your sexual health should be just as exciting as the destination. Remember, the journey of enhancing your sexual health is as exciting as the destination.